guys, welcome back to my channel Tea with Tarana. My name is Tarana Arora and a very happy International Women's Day to everyone. In this video, there are going to be 4 parts. Number 1, my journey so far. Number 2, the 4 kind of independences. Number 3, a heart-to-heart message. And number 4, a thank you note. Starting with the first one, my journey so far. So I became a chartered accountant in January 2021, got placed in one of the big fours in June 2021, started my corporate career then, worked in that company for 3.5 years, learned a lot of things, and then I decided to take a switch in my corporate life. I got a job in one of the big 6 and I knew work from home will not be an opportunity now. So I had an option to relocate either to Kolkata or to Bangalore, and I chose Kolkata over Bangalore because it is close to my city and it is comparatively cheaper. Learned a survival skill which is cooking. So I knew cooking, but यहाँ पे आके I started doing it end to end, and to my surprise I started enjoying the meals that I cook. Okay, and I have embraced cooking effortlessly. So this is something that has worked in my favor, and really happy with it now. There are days when I crave for something of my own hands. So that is a beautiful change that has come in me. Second is I have started taking care of myself because you don't have an option. Okay. Third is whenever I go out, I take care of my security, my safety, and there is a time that I set for myself कि इतने बजे तक मुझे घर आ जाना है, and I adhere to it strictly. Fourth is मैं कभी भी अपनी सिटी में कभी ग्रोसरी लेने नहीं गई. So here I am managing things, small things like that, and that is in itself a very big change, and by God's grace that has been easy to me. Second part of the video is the 4 kind of independences. Number 1, financial independence, which means you are taking care of your own self for expenses without depending on somebody else. Okay, so we all get it, right? Second is emotional independence. That means your happiness, your self-worth does not depend on anybody else. You are taking care of your feelings, all right, and you are able to handle yourself. Third kind of independence is intellectual independence. Ability to think about yourself, to follow your own beliefs, to not get influenced by anyone else. All right. And fourth kind of independence is lifestyle independence, which means managing your day-to-day life, your routines, your health, your travel, and other responsibilities. So I wish and I hope you get to experience all these 4 kinds of independences. Now, the third part of the video, a heart-to-heart message. So from the bottom of my heart, I would want you all to love yourself, to respect yourself, to think high of yourself, to take care of yourself, to get in shape, to take yourself seriously, to experience all kinds of independence, to make yourself feel beautiful, to do special things for yourself, to be courageous, and to be strong for yourself, so that when you are not getting these things, you know how to set boundaries. Last but not the least, a thank you note to all the men for being kind to us, for creating this world a better place to live in, and for respecting us. Thank you everyone. Happy International Women's Day once again, and like my video if you loved it, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and if you have any questions or want to connect one-to-one, please let me know, and you can reach out to me over the platforms that I have mentioned in the description box. Bye.